it's Mercedes and welcome back to my channel. By the video, I'm sure you can tell there's going to be a lot of glitter in this video, so stay tuned. Coachella is coming up, so I decided to put this video together for you because Coachella is literally all about the glam, the outfits, the hair, the makeup, so you guys have to search online to see what the heck you're gonna do with your hair, your makeup, and your clothes because you gotta be on fleek and in style. So I have put together 3 hairstyles with glitter that I'm gonna be showing to you guys. So what I'm going to be using for this video is some extreme hairspray. You're gonna need some of that to lock it all in, honey. Lock it all in. And for the gel, I am using this super wet gel. Yeah, that's a really weird name for gel, but yeah, I got it at Walmart for like 97 cents. And then for the glitter, I went to Michael's and I literally got sample packs. I think they're like $1.99 each, but I didn't really want to commit to like the full-on like bottles of glitter. So this is that one. And then this is this other one. So let's go. So for the first hairstyle, I am going to be showing you guys how to do French braids, and then I'm going to be spicing up the French braids with a little bit of glitter and pizzazz. I'm just going to part my hair right down the middle. As again, I'm not precise about it because I just kind of part it down the middle and then whatever. But I'm just gonna go right ahead and get into the French braid. So here we go. So that's the first one. It's like super tight, but I'm gonna go and pull out a little bit so it loosens it up the braid because I don't like them so tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera and I'll be right back. Now we're going to apply the glitter. I'm gonna have my lovely assistant Courtney help me with this because I need to be able to see the back and it's gonna be really hard. So she's going to apply the glitter and I'm gonna show you guys. So again, I'm going to be going in with my gel and then just going to be dabbing where I want the glitter. Literally is a madhouse with glitter in my house right now. So next I'm going to be going in with the blue sprinkle fairy dust. Okay, so this is the finished product. This is like super easy. It took Courtney and me like what, 2 minutes. I decided to go in with some blue rouge and then to sprinkle up the braids I went ahead and just put the chunky glitter and then a little bit of the blue glitter. So for the second hairstyle, I'm going to be doing space buns because it's all about space buns at Coachella, you guys. Like literally all about it. Like. Okay, so I just took my hair out, but I have like a ton of glitter, so we're just gonna like put more on top of that glitter. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put our hair in space buns. Okay, so now that I have my hair in the space buns, I literally just like twirl them, put them up, nothing really crazy to it, but this is how they look. And now we are going to put the glitter. Oh my god, it's looking so cute. Alright, we're also putting it on the buns too. We're just literally going everywhere with this glitter. Just everywhere. Oh my god, this looks so amazing. Like, why can't I live like this all day? Thanks, Kevin. Do you want to come say hi to everyone? Look at him, he's getting all red. Come on, Kevin. ladies, I will leave his Snapchat down below if you guys like want to hit him up, you know. Hit him up. He's my stylist. He's the one who like recommended I glitter the outside of my bun. I have an audience here. I have Courtney, I have Kevin, and then I have my honey over there. Hi honey, love you. And for the third final hairstyle, I'm going to be showing you guys fishtail braids. So I'm gonna leave my bang out because I'm gonna curl it and it's gonna look better. So you want to, facing forward, you want to split these into two. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be pulling some from this side over here, vice versa, this side over here. So, and if this is too fast for you guys and you don't know what I'm doing, you could totally like YouTube a fishtail braid in slow-mo or something. So I'm just going to be kind of pulling them out so they're not so tight. Okay, so for my bangs, I don't want them just to like be left alone. So I'm going to be taking my straightener and just kind of curling them out. Okay, now that your hair is super wet and it's ready to go. And then now I'm just going to take my fingers, stick it in the bowl, and put it on my hair. Okay, well that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up. Which hairstyle was your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. And I hope this video helps you guys figure out what you want to do for Coachella with your hair, or gives you like an inspiration of some sort. I had a really good time putting this video together for you guys, so yeah. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button because you guys love me and I love you. But with all of that said, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Mwah!